I learned that we have to protect our planet, and I also learned a lot about that biodiversity. My favorite part of the day was when we planted our plants in a pot.
Today, I have learned that biodiversity is important, and Kaiser said that there's no such good or bad, like the weather. The weather, we can't say that it's good or bad. We could just say it's sunny or rainy, like that. And I think my favorite part is touching the snake called Bello. It's so cute.
My favorite part of this course was touching the snake Bello. The snake was very cold and it was very fun.
My favorite part of this course is to plot plants. I've got to draw plots and also put the plant into the plot. It's so amazing.